Hello! In this video, we're going to quickly go over timing and how to best use this information to best prepare you for test day. The SAT has a total of 5 sections. The order that they come in are reading. I call this the verbal section, writing and language. 3, math, no calculator, and then 4, math calculator, which you take out after you finish number 3 as a whole different test. And then there's your optional essay, right? The essay that most people need to take. The reading is 65 minutes with 52 questions. Writing and language is 35 minutes, and so on and so forth. You can see it all here. The math, like I said, is 2 sections, and they combine together to be 80 minutes. So the total with essay is 230 minutes. So that's 3 hours and 50 minutes. And it's quite a long exam. So it's something that you want to make sure that you're practicing under test conditions a few times. You don't want test day to be your first marathon, right? You want it to be something you're very accustomed to, because even the subjects that you feel strong about, how strong do you feel about them in the context of an over 3 hour exam, right? If you're great at writing essays, remember that's the last thing, right? So how much is your hand going to be accustomed to that type of work? Your mind, your focus, things like that. The SAT has a more lenient time per question compared to the ACT, which a lot of students prefer. And you'll see that the verbal section, which is the writing and language section, is the only section where it's less than a minute per question. Every other section has more than a minute per question. Still, you want to make sure that you're working on a good pace, because you want time left over at the end of each section to go over the questions that you skip, because you should skip any that you immediately don't know. So this is a test that, even though you feel like it's more lenient, the questions are longer. They tend to be a little bit more wordy. So you don't really feel too much of a change in the pacing compared to like an ACT. You want to know when to hold them and know when to fold them right away, when you should skip and come back later, and make sure you have plenty of time for that later. If you have any questions, let me know. Best of luck. You can do it.